Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here, and I want to invite you to an unforgettable experience. So it's you, it's me, and we're in one of the most beautiful and photogenic cities in the world, Venice, Italy, for a 4-day hands-on photographic workshop, and it is going to be awesome. We're going to shoot a lot. We're going to do a lot of post-processing. We're going to eat a lot. It's going to be incredible. I want this to be a very special workshop, so we're going to keep it very intimate. It's limited to just 10 people. Of course, I'm your instructor for the workshop, but I also have a very special guest, and it's going to take that workshop to the next level. Kelby 1 instructor, Mimo Madani, is going to be joining me as my guest instructor. Now, here's why Mimo is so awesome. First, Mimo is an absolute expert on long exposure photography. I can't tell you the things that he's taught me about long exposure, especially for using in travel situations. See, he's just awesome. But also, he lives in Venice, Italy. He knows every little hidden little place. He knows all the cool little places. You're going to be like, how did you find this? Because he lives there and he knows it inside and out. He's like the king of Venice photography. You're going to be spending the time with the two of us. We're going to be getting up early. We're going to be shooting a sunrise and a sunset, or we're going to be working in the classroom in the afternoon. We're going to have so much fun. It's going to be an absolutely unforgettable, epic experience. You've got to be there, and it's happening this April. So come and join me and Mimo in one of the most beautiful cities on the planet. You're going to come home with some amazing images. You're going to learn a bunch of new techniques, and you're going to have the best time of your life. Remember, space is very limited. So if you want to go, click the link below right now, sign up, and then I'll be seeing you in Venice.